Hi guys, Kevin Lowe here at kevinlowemarketing.com, and welcome back to the channel. And today I have another product review for you, and today's review is Profit Stream by Glyn Kosky. Now Profit Stream is released today, that is January the 10th, and it is available right now. It's already been launched, and in this product review, I'll be going through a look into the members area for Profit Stream, having a look what Profit Stream is all about in a nutshell, a look into the sales page, and also I'll be offering you my amazing bonuses that you can pick up absolutely free of charge when you pick up Profit Stream through my link in this video description below. Okay, so let's head straight into it. So what is Profit Stream? So it is a one push button automated loophole that pays us $39 every time. All we do is click and drag just one link into this members area of Profit Stream and start making money from simply clicking and dragging these links into the members area. So let's have a quick look what you are also getting. So key benefits for Profit Stream is basically this Profit Stream has made $32,000 of profit in 30 days for Glyn. This $32,000 in 30 days. And that's $32,000 in profit, not gross, that's profit in 30 days. So we're getting paid over $39 over and over again each time by simply drag and drop these links into the members area. They've made 96 beta testers made money within 24 hours. It exposes $22.9 billion loophole. This product requires zero experience or zero skills required. It works on all devices, including your mobile phone. It's brand new 100% software that's been discovered for 2022. There's free buyer traffic that's built into the members area. Beginners start making money from day one. There's a private members community to discuss the product and for support. And plus you get private coaching as well if you are struggling to make money. And all this is covered by a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So I'm going to now head over to my bonuses that you can pick up absolutely free of charge when you pick up Profit Stream through my link. So the first bonus is Nova. So what Nova is, basically in a nutshell, it's a Google Chrome plugin that basically you install to your Chrome browser, and what you can do with this plugin is tap into the network, the social media network TikTok, and you'll be able to target pages and followers on TikTok, send people traffic, send offers, and you can start making commissions through this method. Bonus number 2 is access to bonus tutorial 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So with this tutorial, it's going to show you how to basically use 5 email marketing methods that's going to give you higher conversions when you send out your emails to your email list. Bonus number 3 is access to bonus page builder tutorial. So what this tutorial is going to help you do is basically build your bonus pages like you can see on your screen at the minute. So this is my bonus page, what I've made, so you can make your own bonus page as well using this tutorial that's included. And bonus number 4 is access to how to accelerate your Instagram traffic. So with this bonus, this course is going to show you how to basically boost your traffic to your Instagram pages and your Instagram followers, and basically you'll be able to make a ton of offers, send a ton of offers to your pages through Instagram. And bonus number 5 is access to all the vendor bonuses that is provided by the vendor. Okay, so once you have picked up your copy of Profit Stream, all you have to do is log into your Warrior Plus account and click the Access Affiliate Bonus button to claim your bonuses. And you can get these bonuses absolutely free of charge when you just pick up the front end of Profit Stream. And also, if you have time, please visit my website, kevinlowemarketing.com. Thank you. Okay, so let's now head over to the sales page. So this is the sales page for Profit Stream. So we've been through the headlines already. One push button, automated loophole that pays us $39 every time we drag and click and drag a link into the members area. So let's just head down through the sales page. So here again, that's the profits that's been made with this product in the last 30 days. And it's all through 100% free traffic. So you don't even have to get your own traffic sources. All of it is inside the members area. And here you can see some testimonials who have actually made some money through Profit Stream. So here you can see some screenshots. So people from all different types of background from all across the world have tested this product and made some money out of it. So here you see some their names, their occupation, where they are in the world. So a very diverse set of people who have been successful with this product. Some more screenshots of some beta testers who have made some money through this product here. See the screenshots there, $143, $900, over $1,000, $1,000 again, $1,000, $400. Okay, so let's just head down to the bottom. So this is Glyn Kosky, and who has released a ton of quality products. So please feel free to look up his archive of products that he's released previously. He's released a ton of quality products, and his training methods are top notch, and you'll see that inside the members area as well, again with this product. Okay, so now let's have a look at the members area. Oh, just before we do, sorry, there's a pop-up on the sales page, so you can actually claim $2 off Profit Stream. So you can pick it up just for $17 rather than $19 when this comes up. Just basically get your $2 discount through this link here when that pops up on the sales page. Okay, so once you have signed into Profit Stream, this is what you get basically. Let me just refresh the page. So you sign in and you get an overview for Profit Stream. It's going to show you what it's all about basically. And then that is the dashboard. So next you've got your tutorials next. So this basically, when this loads up here, yeah. So you got your bonus YouTube content. So you can actually just use your own content or use the content inside the members area if you want to. It's up to you basically. There's content already that's provided inside the members area. You can also add your own content in here. You've got your overview here that we've just looked at. So a Profit Stream overview of the system. So watch that video first. Then you've got your integrations here. So this is going to show how to connect your autoresponder to the members area. So you can actually build your list, your email list, when you actually add your links into the members area. And then when you start making commissions, you'll get to keep those emails that have been captured. And then you've got also your autoresponder video tutorial there, and you've got your how to set up your done for you campaigns here. So this video shows you how to do the pre-done campaigns, done for you bonus campaigns. So it's going to show you how to do that step by step. Affiliate links, so here apply for these products and get your links to use with your campaigns that are pre-created here. Then you've got your how to create your new campaigns. So this video will show you how to create your fresh campaigns out of any type of content that you want to promote to any type of product. Next video is how to publish and share your campaigns. So this video will show you how to publish your created campaigns and access social traffic. The next video is using the upgrades. So in this video you will learn how to access the upgrades if you do decide to go for the upgrades. And then you've got your get your done for you affiliate links here. So sign up to the following affiliate programs. Remember, you can also get the bonus if you make a deposit. So you can also join these Coinbase links, or you join BlockFi, or you join Binance. So you can access these if you would like to. Then you've got your bonus builder here. So this video shows you how to set up a page using a super affiliate builder, as well as discussion on the strategies and what else is essential for success. Then you've got a load of traffic strategies videos here as well that is included. So it's a series of training videos teaching you how traffic strategies work well. So watch all them as well. Okay. So there's a lot to go through inside the tutorial. So you've got your Bitcoin here as well, your crypto content as well that you can go through. So once you've done that, you've got your campaigns next. Here, basically create all your campaigns or use the campaigns that are inside the members area already. So you've got your affiliate marketer campaign here, Bitcoin for beginners. So you can create a new campaign there. Once you've done that, all you do is click on that and just give it a campaign name. Set theme color, button colors, text colors. Upload a banner if you want to. So you can create that through Canva and upload that there. Give it a site and name, choose a logo, give it a description, choose what niche you would like it to go under. So all this here needs to be filled out. So your title, video links, buttons, descriptions. Just go through all this, follow the training, just go through all this, integrate the autoresponder into your campaign, and away you go. Next, you've got your videos here. So your videos here, basically you can use your videos in here already, or you can add your new videos, manage your videos. So if you go to manage your video collection, you can just manage them. If you can remove them, edit them if you want to. Then you've got your products. So here, basically you can create your new products if you want to create your new products. Or you can use the ones inside here already. You've got your Bitcoin, BlockFi, Binance. Then you've got your done for you section. So here you can actually create a new done for you bonus, or use the ones inside the members area already. So basically all you have to do is go through the training videos again, just follow it step by step, fill all this information in, and then just save and create. Then you've got your ads, video ads here. So you can add your video ads here if you want. So these will show up on your pages when you've created your pages and inside your campaign. So these ads will actually show up for people to click on. And then you've got your free traffic section down here as well. So you can watch that video there. So let's just go back quickly, sorry, to the campaigns again. Just want to show you something. So this bit I forgot to show you. So once you've created campaigns, if you click on your view, so this one is one that's been created inside the members area already. So this one relates to affiliate marketing. So it looks pretty much like a YouTube page, the layout. So these are the videos inside this page. And obviously all this traffic is driven by Glynn's traffic methods. So it's done for you traffic. You don't have to get your own traffic, and look how many views you can get just from these videos here that's showing. Then you've got your recommended video here as well. So this is where you can actually promote a high ticket offer or a low ticket offer, whatever you want. You can put that in there. Got your about section there. Also you got your subscribe button, which basically is an opt-in. So when they actually put in their details, this will be saved to your email list. So you'll be able to capture opt-ins inside this page. Okay. So that is pretty impressive members area. That's all done for you inside. It's like a website that's built in, basically all for you, and traffic is driven for you as well. So Glynn's traffic sources are crazy huge. So yeah, you're going to get tons of traffic into these sites that you create inside this members area. Also, you've got your upgrades as well if you want to get your upgrades for Profit Stream. So you got your unlimited options, automated traffic, ATM editions, license rights, 30k edition, bonus builder, and million editions as well. So we can go through the pricing of those shortly. Okay. So let's now head back to the bonus page. So we have looked through the members area now. So again, this is the pricing for Profit Stream. So the front end, which is what we just looked at. So you get the software and all the training modules for $17. You can also purchase the upsells. So unlimited version is available at a downsell price of $37. So unlimited version, obviously you can get a lot more. You get, you know, unlimited campaigns, unlimited videos you can upload. And then you've got your upsell number 2, which is 100% done for you. That is available at a downsell price of $47. Then you've got upsell number 3, which is unlimited traffic at a available downsell price of $47 as well. Then you've got upsell number 4, which is automation at a downsell price of $37. Then you've got ATM, which is available at a downsell price of $47. And you've got upsell number 6, which is Ultimate Edition, which is available at a downsell price of $47. And you've got the license rights, which is available at a downsell price of $37. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the review for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you are interested in picking up Profit Stream, please do so through my link in the video description below, and you can pick up all my bonuses absolutely free of charge. And that pretty much wraps up this review. So again, this Profit Stream product by Glynn is absolutely amazing. Brilliant training inside the members area, and it's, you know, almost a done for you system where you can just drag and drop links into the members area and start making commissions. Okay, so I'll just wrap up this review video now, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.